We're going to be showing you the unboxing of the Tobbi 12-volt truck. This one's going to be red. It's got a lot of cool features. After the unboxing, we'll have a video showing the assembly and finally a review. This is also going to be available on rcrideoncars.com. So we really appreciate Tobbi for sending this. This is a sponsored video and we thank them so much. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Okay, hold on. No.
Yes, doing that.
My assistants are going to handle the unboxing for me.
You gotta undo the other side too.
What do we got in there? It's a lot of stuff. I don't think they're popping, buddy. Nice grip on the wheels. They're anti-slip, all four of them. This ride-on does have 2 motors included. With headlights and taillights, LEDs. The doors also do open and close with magnetic locks. MP3 players in it as well. So
Let's take this out of the box.
all right, this doesn't look too bad actually so far. The easier it is to assemble, the better. I do like the red. I think it's pretty sharp. My assistants are completely handling the dismantle of the box.
These are just loose in there.
That's odd. Just that one other light, right? The dash looks like it's completely assembled already, except for like the steering wheel. Nice. All the wires look like they're in there too. It looks like the motors do it to be assembled and the gears. But we know how to do that. That's not too difficult. Remember, you do have to charge this too. And it's going to take a day and a half to charge. So we're going to assemble it today, plug it in, and wait till tomorrow to drive it.
Open this hard. Build it.
I'm working on it.
And that's the unboxing. We'll go ahead and put the other link down below for the assembly. And then after that, we'll get the review going.